好，咁咧就同大家咧分享一下，咁我哋啲學生咧，咁啊借助用 Kahoot 啦嚟上堂，咁我哋咧亦都有一啲嘅report 啦，評估翻我哋嘅學生啦，用咗 Kahoot 啦，咁嘅個表現啦，咁我哋睇下Charles 啦，Charles 咧今次咧佢做呢一個嘅passive voice 啦，我哋會係有啲咩表現咯喎，佢好勁啊，攞咗1萬幾分。好啦，咁我哋咧再嚟睇下佢嗰個有4條困難嘅，咁我哋再睇翻佢嗰個嘅答題嘅表現啦，正確嘅嘢啦，好嘛？咁又好啦，咁第一條 What is the passive sentence 係100分啱晒嘅，幾好啊，唔錯。咁佢答咗咧就係 subject receive action 啦，咁主詞啦就係落 action 呢個 passive voice 嘅主要結構嚇，非常之好啊！好啦，咁第二條咧都係100分嘅，咁佢就啱晒噶啦，咁就係 the takes what eaten 就係 passive voice 啦，其他都唔係 passive voice 噶啦。好啦，跟住咧 how to form passive sentence 啦，咁亦都啱咗嘅，好唔錯，係 be加 past participle 咁嘅被動句，咁就係噶啦。好，然後咧我哋再睇第4條啦，佢都係啱嘅，做表現都唔錯喎。咁咧佢係好啦，咁正確答案咧就 books was read，咁係 passive voice 嚟嘅，咁其餘嘅都唔係 passive voice 嚟嘅嚇。好啦，why use passive voice？點解會用 passive voice 咧？好啦，咁呢條咧佢就攞唔到分啦。咁點解攞唔到分咧？佢嘅答案咧就係 focus on，唔係我哋咧答案咧正確答案咧就 focus on subjects 啦。佢嘅答案你呢度就顯示唔到佢嘅答咗啲乜嘢啦。咁應該呢度係顯示唔到嘅。咁總之佢就攞唔到分啦。咁應該答案咧就係 focus on subjects。咁點解會用呢一個嘅問題啦？咁就要睇先，紅色係錯嘅，應該佢嘅答案咧，佢錯嘅答案咧就係佢集中喺 subject 嗰度就係唔啱嘅，係咪？咁就我哋重點咧，其實用 passive voice 咧，我哋唔係喺個 subject 度嘅，個答案應該係喺個 action 度嘅，focus on action 先至係啱嘅。OK，好，咁就到好啦，呢度紅色應該佢係嘅答案嚟嘅，咁到呢一度啦，complete sentence the letters 係乜嘢咧？就係 what sent yesterday 就係被動嘅 what sent yesterday，其他咧都係主動嘅，所以未唔啱噶啦。好啦，which word form is used？邊個 word form 係會用咧？past participle 啦，即係過去分詞啊，go and gone 個 gone 第3嗰個，叫做 participle 啦，嗰啲過去分詞，過去分詞會用嘅，其他都唔係嘅喎。present participle 咧就係叫做現在分詞啦，唔係嘅。infinitive 啊，base form 都唔係噶，base form 即係不變咁解啦。好啦，我哋睇第8條，identity the agent，identify 啦，the agent 係 passive 係啲乜嘢咧？咁 agent 咧，agent 即係被做嗰樣嘢啦，咁做嗰個人啦，咁我叫 agent 嘅嚇。喺個 passive voice 裏邊，通常咧就個 by 啦，by 邊個做嘅，咁通常就係 agent 噶啦。by the teacher 就會係噶啦。好啦，到第9條啦。第9條咧，佢應該答咗2次嘅。When is passive voice is useful？點解會用咧？咁有一條啱，有條錯啦。其實有2條答案都係啱嘅，呢度有兩個答案嘅。譬如當一個 agent is unknown，agent 係唔知道嘅，咁我哋可能會用啦，咁所以攞咗100分噶啦。咁亦都可以係嗰個 action 係 important 嘅，係啊 action，因為我哋想強調咗個 action 先嘅，咁而係嗰個 agent 唔知，咁我哋用action 去取代佢，咁我明知應該做噶嘛，但係我哋可以講個動作噶嘛，咁我哋就會省略咗個subject 咯，咁我哋就即係 subject，所以嗰個 agent 啦，將佢 主要個 verb 個 object 就擺上嚟就可以啦。咁所以咧呢度兩個答案可以嘅，咁所以呢度咧就有0同100分啦，個 percent 就係咁嘅意思啦。咁which sentence is active？邊一個係啱嘅？咁就 the letter is written 就係被寫嘅。下邊啦，佢而家嘅 active 啦 ，active 係主動啦。咁佢答咗咧 the letter is written 係 passive voice 嘅，所以佢而家要只係講嗰個主動句，咁應該係黃色啦，係咪先？我寫黃色呢一個咧先至係答案，因為咧呢一個咧 wrote the letter 咧就係 SVO 呢個係一個主動句嘅 active 嘅格式啦，咁所以咧個答案咧就會係黃色嗰個啦。好啦，第11條啦，第11條咧又係兩個答案嘅，咁就佢咧就答咗咧 by 係 before subject 係啦，咁 subject 喺 by 呢個係啱嘅，咁亦都佢答漏咗啦，咁啊 before verb is 係 before verb 都係嘅，咁佢冇答啦，咁所以0分啦。OK 應該咁講，唔係佢答咗呢一個係唔啱嘅，有兩個都可以嘅，咁所以咧仲有一個嘅正確答案咧，應該係下邊一個，呢個係唔啱嘅。咁正確嚟講咧係呢個先啱。Swap 啦係交換啦 ，subject 同 object 咧係互調嘅。咁呢一條咧 swap 咧係 subject 同 object， 呢個係互調嘅。咁 passive voice 咧主要嘅用法咧就會係咁樣嘅 passive voice。OK， 好啦，咁就到下一個，我哋咧就到12條啦。Which is passive question？ 咁 passive question 咧即係將佢變 passive 啦。咁係啦，佢哋答得幾好喎。Was the book read 啦？咁係個 was 跟住 read 係 PP 啦，咁所以係被動句嘅。13就係 complete sentence， 就 song 呢首歌咧係點樣咧 ？Was sung by her 係啦，was sung by her 都係做啱嘅咯喎。第14咁啊，which is passive voice？Which is passive command？command 係嗰啲嘅命令啦，被動嘅命令係啲乜嘢咧 ？Let the door be opened 係啦，咁啊讓嗰個門咧就會再開長開嘅。Let the door be open 就係長開嘅意思啦。好，第15啦 ，identify the passive sentence 啦，就 identify 呢個 passive sentence 咧。passive 就係被動句啦，咁所以 the movie was watched。The movie was watched 係被係啦，會開咁樣啦，係嘛？好啦 ，which sentence is in passive？ 邊一句咧係 passive 嘅話咧 ，the car was prepared， 綠色嗰個牆就係㗎啦，啱啦。好啦，咁 how to emphasize 啦 ，emphasize 係強調 action。咁如果你想去強調一個 action 咧，頭先喺上邊某一條都講過啦，係用 passive voice 嘅。咁所以藍色 passive voice 就可以㗎啦。好，跟住就第18條啦。Which is the passive phrase？ 邊一個係 passive phrase 咧？咁 built by the team phrase 好啦。咁首先咩叫 phrase？phrase 都唔係完整句子嘅，有動詞同埋object，咁就叫 phrase 㗎啦。咁特別紅色 team built 呢一個係句子嚟嘅 sentence 嚟嘅。phrase 係唔完整嘅，係冇咗個 subject 或者缺漏咗個 subject。譬如我寫翻先 SVO 呢個咧就係一個句式啦。咁如果冇一個 S 淨係 VO 咧，咁係屬於個 phrase 嚟嘅。咁所以喺黃色嗰度咧，淨係 V 同埋 O， 淨係 VO 啫，缺漏咗啲嘢，咁所以佢屬於 phrase 嚟嘅。好啦，咁啊就第19條啦。19咧就係 complete the sentence by project。咁 the project 係點乜嘢咧 ？the project 咁係唔係人嚟噶嘛？要被完成噶嘛？咁所以佢就唔係好清楚要做啲乜嘢啦。complete 係完成啦 ，is completing 係進行式 on time 準時進行式，佢唔會自己進行嘅。個 project 咧係要被進行嘅，咁所以 answer 咧一定係被動句嘅，was 再加 PP 係咪啊？ 咁呢度咧就冇 was 嘅，咁應該唔係噶啦。咁呢度有 Islam 啦，但係 ing 係象顏色嚟噶嘛，咁所以呢個都唔係嘅。咁正確答案咧應該係 was completed 啦。好啦，咁啊最尾嗰條啦，最尾嗰條咧就 which is passive description 咧係解做描寫。咁呢一個係描寫得佢最好嘅咧，描寫 describe。好啦，咁啊 house was painted 係啦，通常我用 passive voice 係描寫嗰間屋嘅 was painted 係由上有啦 ，house was painted 係由有啦。好，咁啊，今日同大家分析完啦。呢一個 Charles 啦，玩Kahoot 嗰陣時學習啦。咁啊，佢有啲啱與唔啱啦，同大家去講一次。希望大家可以喺佢呢個嘅遊戲當中，或者佢錯誤當中咧，去學到，或者阿 Charles 去睇翻我用佢個分析咧，去知道自己錯。下一次咧去玩嗰陣時咧去做啦，希望啱晒啦。喺嗰4條咧唔好再錯咯喎。好，拜拜。